We've spoken about hair concerns, hacks, and even styling. But with this video, we're going back to the basics. Face shapes to help you figure out which hairstyle and cut would be the perfect match for you. We've taken your suggestions and put together this video. So in return, we'd like you to do just one small little thing. Once you've determined your face shape, just leave it in the comments below. For you fashion fanatics, we've already made a video talking about different jewelry that suits each face shape, and we'll link it above. And we've taken a few clips from that video itself to show and explain each face shape to you. Basically, there are 4 face shapes that you could belong to or lie somewhere in between. There's oval, round, heart, and square. Those with an oval face should definitely consider themselves to be super lucky. You're one that can spot just about any hairstyle or cut, ranging from a cute bob and even rock a sexy fringe. If you prefer short hair, then you can go in for a cute bob or a lob, which has slight layers towards the bottom to add a little bit of volume and nicely frame your face. But if you prefer longer locks, then you can go in for a light step cut and follow the natural parting of your hair when you're opting for any kind of hairstyle. Loose curls or beachy waves would look amazing on you, but if you want your hair out of your face, then a simple side braid would do wonders to accentuate your features. A round face typically means that the width and length of your face is pretty much the same, and your cheeks are more prominent, giving you that rounded appearance. Now, the key to styling this kind of shape is to frame your face well and add more depth and contour to it, which makes it appear more chiseled and oval in nature. If you prefer short hair and you're feeling a little bit adventurous, then the pixie cut would be the perfect hairdo for you. But don't worry, if you want to play it safe, then even subtle long layers would look amazing on you. Just make sure that the shortest layer is cut right below your cheekbone to add a natural contour and frame the face very well. Even a short fringe that ends just at the eyes or side swept bangs would really suit a round face and give it more length. You can give yourself a quick blow dry to add some style, or even throw on a few accessories to one side of your head to give the illusion of a longer face. But I would definitely stay away from tightly tongued curls because they make your hair appear shorter and give you a rounder appearance. If you have a heart-shaped face, then your bone structure will feature a broad forehead and cheekbones, but a slimmer chin and jawline. The aim here is to bring some sort of balance between the two halves by adding on the right haircut and style. If you prefer short hair, then a long bob that ends at your neck would look amazing on you and add more fullness to the jawline. You can even pair it up with side swept bangs that's going to make your forehead look a little narrower and also shape your face and even it out. For longer hair, textured cuts and subtle layers towards the bottom half of the hair also do the same trick and give a little bit more width to your jawline and make your face appear naturally fuller. When you leave your hair open, loose curls or waves will really accentuate your features, but if you want a fun updo, then put on a bun with a few twisties in it. If you have extremely strong features, then you have a square-shaped face, a broad forehead, cheekbones, and an extremely chiseled jawline, so make the most of it. The hairstyles and cuts I'm going to be talking about today are essentially going to help you soften these features a little bit and give you a more flattering appearance. If you want to go short, then a textured bob with some side swept bangs is really going to accentuate your beautiful cheekbones. But if you want to keep your hair long, then subtle layers towards the end is going to help blur out some of your sharper features. I suggest going in with a side parting instead of a middle parting to throw off that completely square look. You can add a little bit of texture with some loose beachy waves or go for a sleek look with poker straight hair. If you want your hair out of your face, A top knot will definitely add some length to it, but make sure you leave a few strands or curls on either side of your face for an elegant touch. Hopefully you figured out your face shape by the end of this. So all I can say is be bold and experimental with your hair choices. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.